हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं शुभम और आज हम करेंगे डीएवी क्लास 6 साइंस चैप्टर 2 फूड के क्वेश्चन आंसर। ए फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। 1 लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स नीड फूड टू डैश एंड डैश। इसमें होगा ग्रो एंड सर्वाइव। 2 विटामिन ए डी ई एंड के आर सॉल्यूबल इन डैश वेयर एज विटामिन बी एंड सी आर डैश सॉल्यूबल। इसमें होगा फैट एंड वाटर। 3 द डिफिशियंसी ऑफ डैश इन द डाइट causes a disease called beriberi. इसमें होगा विटामिन डी। 4 विटामिन के हेल्प्स इन क्लोटिंग ऑफ ब्लड। इसमें 5 द डाइटरी फाइबर्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूट डैश। इसमें होगा रफेज। बी राइट ट्रू और फॉल्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स। 1 विटामिन एंड मिनरल्स आर बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड्स। आंसर फॉल्स। 2 our skin makes vitamin E in the presence of sunlight. False. 3 deficiency of phosphorus can lead to anemia. False. 4 we should eat food that has all its essential components in the right proportions. False. 5 kwashiorkor occurs due to the deficiency of fat in the diet. False. C tick the correct option. 1 when a drop of iodine solution was put on the curved surface of a potato, it turned blue-black in color. This indicates the presence of. Answer stretch. 2 the deficiency of vitamin A in the diet causes a disease known as. Answer night blindness. 3 iron is essential for. Answer formation of hemoglobin. 2 a child who has bow legs is suffering from a deficiency disease known as. Answer rickets. 5 the deficiency of proteins in the diet of children can cause a disease known as. Answer kwashiorkor. D type. Answer the following questions in brief. 1 name the important sources of food. Answer plants and animals are 2 important sources of food. 2 state the importance of carbohydrates in our diet. Answer in our diet carbohydrates provide a source of energy. 3 name the vitamin whose deficiency causes the disease of. A night blindness, B beriberi, C scurvy, D rickets. Answer night blindness vitamin A, beriberi vitamin B, scurvy vitamin C, rickets vitamin D. 4 name any 3 of the minerals needed by our body. Answer 3 minerals needed by our body are. A calcium, B iron, C iodine. 5 state the role of calcium in our body. Answer the main role of the calcium is to build bone and tooth. 6 write the full forms of the terms PEM and PCM. And answer PEM is equal to protein energy malnutrition. PCM equal to protein calorie malnutrition. E type. Answer the following questions. 1 name 2 sources of each of the following. A carbohydrates, B proteins, C fats, D roughage, E vitamin A, F vitamin C. Answer A carbohydrate, maize and wheat. B proteins, meat and fish. C fats, milk and oil. D roughage, green vegetables and fruits. E vitamin A, milk and yellow vegetables. F vitamin C, Indian gooseberry and citrus fruits. 2 describe one taste each for detecting the presence of the following in food. A proteins, B starch, C fats. Answer A protein. At first we crush some beans seeds in a mortar and pestle. We make a suspension using water. Then we take a little of this suspension in a test tube and add a few drops of concentrated nitric acid to it. If the color of this suspension changes to yellow, it indicates the presence of proteins. B. Stretch. At first we take the material, then Add iodine solution with the help of a dropper. If it turns blue-black, it indicates the presence of stretch. C. Fat. सॉरी, बी का लास्ट में स्क्रैच लिखा हुआ है, ये स्ट्रेच होगा, ये स्ट्रेच होगा। आप उसको स्क्रैच मत लिखिए, उसको स्ट्रेच लिखिए। सी. फैट. एट फर्स्ट वी टेक द फूड आइटम एंड रब इट ऑन अ ड्राई पेपर. इफ फैट इज प्रेजेंट इन इट, then it will leave or translucent mark on the paper. 3. Why do we need proteins and how do they affect our health? Answer. Protein is a bodybuilding food. It helps in developing and repairing of tissues for all age groups. That is why it is needed by us. Deficiency of proteins can cause kwashiorkor and marasmus in childhood. 4. A mineral X is essential for the formation of a component Y in the blood of a person. The function of component Y is to transport oxygen in the blood. The deficiency of mineral X in the diet of a person causes a disease Z. Identify X, Y, and Z. Also mention the symptoms of disease Z. Answer. Y is equal to hemoglobin, X equal to iron, Z is anemia. Symptoms of anemia are: A. People looks pale and weak. B. Loss of appetite. C. The body shows fatigue. D. Whitening of nails. E. Swelling of hands and feet. 5. Deficiency of iodine is more common in mountainous regions. Why? Answer. Deficiency of iodine is more common in mountainous regions because the soil and water of such mountainous areas are very poor in iodine. 6. What is a balanced diet? Why should we take a balanced diet? Answer. A balanced diet is a diet that contains all the nutrients in right proportion. We should take a balanced diet for proper growth and our body's proper development. वीडियो देखने के लिए शुक्रिया। वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करिए, चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ वीडियो को शेयर कर दीजिए। थैंक यू।